Drinking this every morning will lower your blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood glucose levels fast. Yes, this is the most powerful smoothie on earth when it comes to repairing the kidneys. Here we go. Let's taste it.
Oh my goodness!
Hello, this is Catherine. Welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. Today, we are going to see a recipe which has unmatched health benefits. The ingredients of this smoothie are some of the most powerful medicinal superfoods you can find. Drink it every morning and you will see results in just 7 days. How is this possible? Well, I found a way to put together in a single recipe the foods with the greatest kidney health benefits in the world. Berries, turmeric, ginger, lemon, and a secret ingredient you probably have never seen in a smoothie. This is a powerful superfood. It can lower blood pressure more effectively than prescription drugs. It has powerful antimicrobial properties. It's one of the most powerful anti-inflammatories. How do you guess what food is this? No, seriously, if you think you know the answer, write it down in the comment section now. Let's see how many of you guys will get it right. Oh yes! It's garlic! Wait, what? Garlic in a smoothie? If you couldn't help but think that a garlic smoothie will taste a lot like guzzling down some pizza sauce, well, you're in for a surprise. Luckily for our health, there's a simple trick that will make you barely taste garlic in this smoothie. Yes, and the key to making a garlic smoothie that doesn't reek of garlic is using your blender the right way. More on this in a moment. Yes, I know, it sounds incredible. Well, there's only one way to see if it's true. Let's make this smoothie. Very first thing is garlic. And you want to use fresh garlic for this recipe and to chop it about 5 minutes before starting to prepare the smoothie. When you chop fresh garlic, exposing it to air, something incredible happens. Its chemical compound, allicin, is converted into an enzyme called allicin, the chemical responsible for garlic's pungent odor. Researchers have linked the allicin in raw, fresh garlic to powerful kidney health boosting properties. Chop 2 cloves of fresh garlic in order to activate the immune boosting properties of allicin. Drop the pieces in the blender and let them sit while you prepare the other ingredients. Yes, if there's one food that's really going to repair your kidneys, it's garlic. The next thing we want to do is putting the lemon and the cherry radishes in a water and baking soda bath. This is a science-proven way to remove all pesticides from these veggies. This way we can use the peel of the lemon, very healthy, and we can also put the radishes in the blender as they are. To do this, add 1 teaspoon baking soda to every 2 cups cold water and let the veggies soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Now guys, none of these ingredients are here by accident. Lemon is one of the most alkalizing food on earth, and it's also a powerful kidney detoxifier. And we are going to add it with the peel and the pith, great sources of fiber. These small radishes you see here are very low in potassium and phosphorus, but high in many other important nutrients such as vitamin C. Vitamin C intake is associated with lower uric acid. While they soak, cut and peel 1 each piece of fresh ginger root and add it to the blender. Ginger is a really amazing superfood. I always keep it in my pantry because it will make nausea disappear in just a moment. But there are even studies on kidney disease patients showing that ginger has therapeutic effects in improving renal function. Next ingredient is 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. This is a truly underrated superfood, so powerful it has been used as a medicine for kidney health and other problems since 5000 BC. Wow, incredible! Today, science tells us that the fiber in flaxseed binds with cholesterol in the intestine and prevents it from being absorbed. And also, flaxseed makes platelets, the blood cells involved in clotting, less sticky. This may result in lowered blood sugar levels, lowered cholesterol, and blood pressure. Yes, I told you that today's smoothie was going to work like magic. And don't worry about phosphorus here. You'll get just 45 milligrams of phosphorus from 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds, which you're not going to absorb completely anyway. Now here I have some frozen berries. I prefer frozen berries for smoothies because, well, they are way cheaper and it never hurts, and also you can always find them. Not to mention that you can stockpile your freezer and snack on frozen berries whenever you like. Here we have some blueberries. They have the most powerful antioxidants in the world. But also blackberries, rich in plant compounds that can lower cholesterol, help fight off colds, and promote cardiovascular health. These small red ones are red currants. They can decrease cortisol production, a known risk factor of kidney disease. Let's add about 1 cup or 120 grams to our smoothie. Now let's cut the lemon in half. I'm actually going to add less than half lemon because this is a very big one. If you have a regular size lemon, use half. And the cherry radishes. Here. This is a powerful kidney detoxing superfood. Cherry radishes are known for their diuretic and cleansing properties. Just like cranberries, they protect the urinary tract from infections. But they are also really alkalizing and will give a nice spicy taste to our smoothie. Can't wait to taste it! We're going to use around 100 grams or a little bit less than 1 cup of radishes. And while you may think our smoothie is already healthy enough, I'm still going to add some turmeric to it. This is probably the most powerful anti-inflammatory food on earth. And many people don't know this, but a study showed that consuming 500 milligrams of curcumin, the active compound of turmeric, is as effective as taking 50 milligrams of a common arthritis medication at reducing inflammation. Yes! I told you today's smoothie was going to be the most powerful you can find. Let's add a small piece, around 1/4 inch, to our smoothie. If you don't have fresh turmeric, use 1 teaspoon ground turmeric. Now a simple trick to make the curcumin turmeric up to 2,000 times more powerful. Let's add a pinch of black pepper. The piperine in black pepper will make the curcumin in turmeric more available to the body. Now guys, let's add some almond milk. I will use less than a glass because I like my smoothies creamy. Now almond milk is the best milk alternative for people with kidney disease in my opinion because it's very low in potassium and phosphorus, especially healthy if you can find it unsweetened. Okay, this recipe is for 2 people, but you won't have trouble sharing it with a relative because it's going to taste amazing. Or you can keep it in the fridge for up to 48 hours. Okay, put the lid on the blender and mix it up. Blend on high for 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how powerful your blender is. It is extremely important that you really pulverize the garlic into tastelessness. If you added raspberries or blackberries to your mixture, blending on high will also help to really break down the tiny seeds found in each fruit, and it's gonna taste even better. Okay, it's ready! Here we go. Let's taste it. Mmm. Oh my goodness. Mmm. It tastes amazing. I never tasted anything like this. Oh. Mmm. It has an amazing taste, guys. Try it. Mmm. And guys, tell me in comment section if you liked it. A new video is coming next Tuesday as usual, and I really hope to see you there. In the meantime, keep taking good care of your kidneys and be good to yourself. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.